Hi, this is Dakota Peterson. This is question number 4 about PowerShell line for the parameters for the new AD group command line, but I can't get this one to work. So I'm going to show just some of my work here. I've tried common parameters. I've tried get help, get command, get add group, and just, you know, like if I were to type in new add group, it's just not even, doesn't recognize it as a CM dlet, and so I don't really know how to do this one. I've messed around with it for probably an hour now, but anyway, I'm probably just gonna have to take a 0 on this one, but I have tried, can't do it, so okay, that's all I got. Okay, thanks.